Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to use Magic Wand tool in Photoshop to remove background. Let's begin. Go to File, Open and open any project. Then select the Magic Wand tool. Right click, use Magic Wand tool and click the multiple select tolerance 32. Then click this color or outside. Okay. Is perfectly. Oh, sorry. Okay. Then click Layer Mask. Press Ctrl I. And now see this, remove the background. Right click, convert to smart object, again right click, rasterize layer. Now we can see this, remove the background using Magic Wand tool. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Press Ctrl T, hold shift, resize.